Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you on the new functionality in Mesh Morpher Graph, which allows us to customize DNA expressions in our MetaHuman DNA files, right? So the way DNA customization works in Mesh Morpher Graph is that it works directly with MetaHuman DNA file as opposed to Mesh Morpher Classic, which works with the DNA asset in the skeletal mesh, right? So I'm just gonna load a DNA file, and once we have a DNA file loaded, we can either go with DNA to mesh, and it will show us what our DNA metahuman is. So this is our metahuman DNA, and to customize expressions, we can get this new node, which is called Get DNA Expression, right? So it's pretty simple at this point. We select an expression, for example, jaw open, and it will display us the expression. To customize this expression, we can drag from the mesh bin and enter pose, so we can customize bone placement, right? And to be able to see which bones are part of this DNA expression, you can just drag bones to the highlight, right? And next time you enter pose, you will see the bones related to this expression highlighted. So now let's clean a little bit here so we can see a little bit more. And this is how it looks. We will simply customize some random expression. We won't care too much what we're doing, because we just want to showcase this functionality, right? So for example, when the jaw is open, we want the ear to maybe become like this, right? Like an elephant here, doesn't matter. Okay, and I'm just gonna do it on one side. I don't care about the other. And now to get this expression baked, we need to drag from the DNA pin and select set DNA expression. And we need to enter our to drag the mesh pin to the mesh pin in the set DNA expression, select the expression we want to bake, and that's it, right? So we can customize multiple expressions this way, but now that we want to customize multiple expression, let's add this jaw open customization comment so we don't get lost, right? And now we can continue to drag another get DNA expression, and for example, when let's search for something visible, right? Okay, let's get maybe corner pull. Let's go with corner pull. It's pretty easy one. So if we want to customize corner pull, we drag from the last the output DNA in our chain, because if we drag from here, we won't have this customization to it, right? So we need to drag from the last output pin we have available. Let's go again with pose. Let's connect the pins, and well, we do the same thing, right? I'm just gonna do something, doesn't matter, kind of like this, right? It doesn't really matter. Maybe reduce a little bit the camera speed here. Okay. Now we have to do the same thing, right? We have to set DNA expression. So we're gonna do like this: set DNA expression. This is a chained operation, as you see. And now I can select the corner pool. It was the left side, and set the expression. I don't know if I set it here. Let's do it again. It's fine. Okay, expression name was corner pool. Okay, so now we want to export this DNA to a file, right? This is pretty easy. We just have to go to write DNA, and we're gonna select write DNA button here, and we're gonna select the output. Now, if we load our MetaHuman in Houdini, and try to animate it, let's move these controls. We will see our elephant ear we've created when the jaw is open, right? And we can also test our corner pool, and we will see our deformation we've created, right? So this is pretty good. It's pretty easy to create expressions from within the engine or with a graph, with Mesh Morpher Graph. You also have the ability to create these custom expressions using Mesh Morpher Classic, but if you're working with DNA files, with Graph is the only way. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you around. Bye.